Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Notai token. Name of the token is Notai, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing soon. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a gold verified check mark on the Twitter that I'm going to put right in the corner of the screen here at the Notai. They almost have 900,000 Twitter followers. Right now, 896,400 Twitter followers. Right there on their Twitter, you could find a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And it says the first AI-based super app built on Telegram, and then it has a link to that Telegram bot right there at notai_app_bot. Now, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting September 18th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Notai when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's not available anywhere yet. They don't have any holders here on the BSC scan. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Now, their webpage is at notai.com. Over there, you can find the Twitter, the Telegram. It's going to be listed on a bunch of different central exchanges. It has a whole bunch of central exchanges pop up on their webpage when you look at it. Nowhere yet, but obviously it's going to be all around the exact same time. And then maybe some in the future after that, but there's going to be a bunch kind of all at once. So it's the first AI-based super app built on Telegram. There's a link to their super app there on their webpage. So they're Web3 onboarding for 900 million Telegram users with AI. Now, there's a very popular token on the TON blockchain, the Kucoin, and that is based on a Telegram. I think it's a tap to earn. I haven't actually done it, but it's like a tap to earn game on Telegram, I believe, where you could earn coins. So this one, don't get it confused with that token. This one's on the Binance Smart Chain, Notai. So it says engage into multiple activities to take your first steps into Web3, contribute, participate in projects, quest to earn rewards and XP, while AI excludes fraud participants, and earn, trade, and hold crypto securely in the best AI Web3 assistant. Now, you can unlock the future of crypto, unleash the full potential of AI with AI Social, smooth Web3 onboarding, incentivized social activities powered by your AI crypto companion. So there's Web3 learning, quests, clans, referral programs, rewards, mini games, etc. There is achievements. So it says here, Special rewards are granted for completing specific tasks, and there is a leveling system here. So it says users earning XP to increase their level. Higher levels grant bonuses such as multipliers for airdrops and allocations. Now, the referral system is a leveled two-level referral system where users earn 6% of the XP of their referrals. So there's all these things. The reward center, you could check that out. Now, their partners are 8Terminal, IBC Group, Zero Stage, Hot, MemeFi, launch pads on C, GPT, EC, and WePad and Cedify. Now, their team members are doxed on their webpage. I mean, it says here that like they have experience from all different places. So they have like the CEO is from has experience from working with Bybit and FTX. Well, I mean FTX. And then we got Eric Chan, the CPO, has worked with Bybit, OKX, TikTok, and Facebook. So all these people are, in the team are claiming they worked for different companies like Bitfinex, IBM, Microsoft, Bybit, etc. They have advisors that's worked for all different companies as well on here. It says Web3 made simple with AI. Now they do have a tokenomics section at the very, very bottom of their webpage. Notai.com. If you scroll down there, you can find a full white paper. It's probably going to be pretty extensive here. 26-page white paper. You could review that if you like. Yeah, very tiny print. And then they have the tokenomics here. So basically 6.4% of the tokens go to private sale. 10% goes to KOL round. 20.6% to public round, 20% ecosystem, 20% marketing and community referrals, 10% team, 3% advisors, 10% drop. Now they have here, 4-page tokenomics section you could find. It's a Google Doc. And lastly, their Telegram, if you want to check that out, their announcement channel, NotAI_ANN, has over 4.1 million subscribers on there. Very large project here. Almost 900,000 Twitter followers, almost 4.2 million Telegram followers. They're getting all these central exchange listings. And one of the big ones here is Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, like this first AI-based super app built on Telegram targeting 950 million plus users with the only AI-focused app within the TON ecosystem. And if you want to help support the channel, hit that join button, become a member, and leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Not AI? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.